Everybody loves rainbows at the moment, so we decided to make a tissue paper version, complete with little raindrops with positive words at the bottom.
For this project you will need some corrugated card, some coloured tissue paper, some paint, some glue, some pom-poms, some wool and some blue coloured card. Begin by sketching out a rainbow onto corrugated card. Cut this out. Then separate the rainbow into 6 sections using pencil. Roughly paint each section. You don't have to paint the card, but it does give a crisper final result. Bunch up small pieces of tissue paper, then add glue to each section of your rainbow and stick the tissue paper and pom-poms on top. Continue until all the card is covered. Cut out 6 raindrops from blue card. Add a positive word to each raindrop. Glue wool to the back of the raindrops, then attach them to the bottom of the rainbow. Glue a loop of wool to the top of the rainbow so that you can hang it up.
So there we have it, a really beautiful tissue paper rainbow. For more rainbowy ideas and kids crafts, head to the Ideas Hub. See you soon!